This model kit review is of the Ferrari Formula 187 car, and this is a 1/24 scale model by Gunze Sangyo. And here's a picture of the finished model. Looks like a very nice model. It's obviously an older Formula 1 car. And let's have a look inside. So, not too many parts for this. It's not a very complicated car in terms of the model. Obviously, the real car has many more parts, which are not shown. So here we have, this looks like part of our tail, and some body parts, all very well molded. Here's our steering rack, radiators, and here are our corners for the wheels to turn. There's the body, very nicely molded. This is a really good quality mold. Here's something that's disappointing, is the driver is molded in. It's always sad to see. Here are our wheels, very wide. Here's the helmet and suspension parts. Here's the chassis, not much detail there. It's kind of sad as well. And then we have our wheels, and these are nice quality, well molded rubber. We have a gear, it looks like, and some screws, with some wiring. Here are the decals, very good quality, nicely printed, they've been preserved well. Looks like we're missing the motor for the inside. It looks like it's a standard motor, so that shouldn't be too hard to find. So here we start off with putting the motor in, with the gear shafts and the wheels, and put the rear axle together, along with the area for the battery. Battery looks like it goes in the middle there. And we build the front suspension and put on the front wheels. Next we put the body together, and then the body goes on the chassis and is screwed on. And here are the paint and decal guides. So all in all, well molded, but not a lot of detail. So that'll be an interesting build.